The graph of g of x equals ax squared plus bx plus c is shown. With the graph as an aid, determine which one of the following statements is false. Alright, well right here we see that there are two solutions, which means that the discriminant is greater than 0, so this is true. So we can eliminate D immediately. Now, what about A? Well, whether A is positive or negative will determine whether the parabola is facing up or down. So because it is facing up, we know that A is greater than 0. So this is also true. Now, B. Well, remember what we learned about the axis of symmetry? So if we were to draw the axis of symmetry, it would go right through the vertex. And this value right here is at negative B over 2A. So what does that say to us? This value is positive because we're to the right of the y-axis, so these are all positive numbers here. So we know that this is going to end up being a positive number. So in order for that to be true, B or A has to be negative in order to cancel out this negative sign here. We know it's not going to be A. A is positive, which means that B has to be a negative number in order for the negative signs to cancel out and for this axis of symmetry to be to the right of the y-axis. So therefore, B has to be less than 0. That means that this is false. B is our answer.